Alright guys, the lawn is fully woken up. It's time to fertilize with Milorganite. Now, I always like to make my first fertilizer of the year using Milorganite because it's slow release. It'll be nice, not push the top growth too much. And then I'll, in a little bit, do the 10-10-10 because my soil test says I need 10-10-10. So, but yeah, we're going to be applying it. And first, I'm going to use the drop spreader to go around the edges and the border. And I tend to miss the edges. So with the drop spreader, I'm going to do the border first, and then with the broadcast, I can just go to town. Now, as always, I set it to the max setting because you want to put the most... Hey, buddy, get those off the grass. I just asked you to take them. This kid has been wearing the same Spider-Man clothes for like, I don't know, it might be a month now. We wash it pretty much every day, and he puts it back on. Anyways, let's get to fertilizing. Always put on the max setting for Milorganite. It's organic, you can do it, and yeah, it won't burn the lawn. So let's get started. Guys, I'm fertilizing and it's gonna be stinky. So there you go, first Milorganite of the season. I probably won't go as crazy this year with it because I'll be doing the 10-10-10 to balance out the NPK in my lawn. It's important to do soil tests because you don't want to overload your soil with certain nutrients. But that's all for today. Now I need to go, I gotta wait for my wife to come back. I left my sprayer nozzle in my car, my other car, because I was letting a friend borrow it, and I'm gonna put down the RGS and micronutrients in the next video, I guess, because she's not home and I left it in the car. I might just buy a couple of them. They're like $3 each, so then, you know, if this happens again, it's never happened, so what am I thinking about? Going a little crazy here. I just want to spray stuff. I want to try this micronutrient liquid fertilizer stuff. Sounds cool. Sounds a lot easier than the way I've been doing it. I've been getting powders and mixing it with Milorganite and doing it that way, but a simple spray solution with all the micros together, that's what I'm talking about. So look forward to that. It's down here. And there's the bottles. So soon. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.